Police!
Let go of me!
It's the police!
Dude.
Stop!
You're hurting me! Don't touch me!
What's wrong?
I don't know!
Get over here.
All I was doing is looking at turtles!
Can I have no? Can I have?
Sit
Can I
down!
Can I have?
Sit down!
Can I have her purse?
No!
Broward County State Attorney's Office, 201 SC 6th St. Hash, 655, Fort Lauderdale, Florida 33301. At 10, Harold F. Pryor, subject, Fort Lauderdale Police Department complaint and attachments. To whom it may concern. My name is Thomas Benner, and my significant other's name is Jennifer Difer. Attached is my written complaint and statement regarding the unlawful detainment of myself and Jennifer the early morning hours of August 7th, 2022. I would like to preface this document by letting your office know that Jennifer and myself were not committing any crime, and we were not arrested. Yet, Fort Lauderdale police officers approached us on the beach and violently detained us, under color of law, for no reason whatsoever. I have forwarded the attached complaint email to Fort Lauderdale Police Department Internal Affairs, the top brass at FLPD, as well as the governor's office and my local legislators. Phone conversations and voicemails with FLPD Internal Affairs Sergeant Guerra, hash 1769, in an attempt to have the officers involved investigated and charged for violations have been extremely unproductive. Sergeant Guerra, hash 1769, is more interested in manipulating and leading our statement than taking a statement. All Sergeant Guerra wants to do is put words on paper and defend these officers at the same time. Please note that Sigurd Guerra only attempted to call Jen or myself one time. Attached you will find a 29-page email with photos to be used as our formal complaint. All necessary information and descriptions are included in this attachment. Body-worn camera footage is in our possession and available if needed. We are escalating our complaint to your office as we have not been able to get any satisfaction from Fort Lauderdale's Internal Affairs Office. Sergeant Guerra is rude, condescending, and has no skills when it comes to dealing with the public. I will also be in contact with the Federal Bureau of Investigation to possibly investigate a civil rights complaint against FLPD. We would appreciate your assistance with this matter.
No!
The police!
Seriously,
Police
let go of me!
department! Police!
Let go of me!
It's the police!
Dude.
Stop!
You're fucking hurting me! Don't touch me!
What's wrong?
I don't know!
Get over here.
All I was doing is looking at turtles!
Yes,
And
exactly.
these
That's the
fucking
problem.
people! Oh my god!
Yeah, the turtles.
Are you fucking serious right now? Are you fucking kidding me?
Stop. We're here to investigate, all right?
Investigate what?
It's a federal offense to mess with the turtles.
I didn't mess with the turtle!
Back up.
I didn't
Back
mess
up.
with the turtle!
Step back.
Oh my god, let go of me!
Hey, you're
Are
about to
you
go in cuffs.
fucking...
Relax.
You're
Are
gonna go in
you
handcuffs if you
fucking
don't calm down.
serious right now?
Calm down.
Relax.
Oh my god!
Yes.
What's a big issue?
Over here. Let's go over here. Back up.
Over where? No, I don't want to go anywhere with these guys.
You're going to go in handcuffs.
I don't trust them.
She's about to go in handcuffs.
What
You
did I
gotta tell her to chill
do?
out.
What did I do?
We're
I
trying to
didn't
tell
do
you you won't
anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
Listen,
Oh my god, if you fucking hurt me one more time, dude. Loosen your grip on me,
hold on.
man.
Step back.
Are you fucking serious right now?
Man, stop tensing up.
go.
You're going to go in handcuffs.
I'm standing here. Give me my purse.
Just hook her up.
No.
Hook her up.
Are you
You're
fucking
going. I'm going to
serious?
tase you. Back up. Back up. What are you
fucking
reaching for?
serious right now? Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, you're going to get tased. You're going to get
Why?
tased. Hands behind your back.
No.
All right, taser. 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 Go ahead, taser.
Don't you
Relax your
fucking
hand.
dare.
Relax your hand.
Don't you fucking dare. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Seriously? I'm fucking scared.
If you would cooperate,
I got it.
Why am I cooperating? For what?
because we saw you messing with a turtle nest.
I didn't mess with anything.
I got it.
Oh my god.
Man, if you keep resisting, I'm gonna tase you.
How am I resisting?
Keep pulling away.
I'm not pulling. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Wow, you guys are in deep shit. Honest to God. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you fucking serious? I didn't mess with fucking anything. All I was doing was looking for turtles.
That's the problem right there.
Seriously?
Wait right there.
I have no idea. What the fuck is the problem?
We're gonna explain to you. Calm down. Come here.
Oh my God, I didn't do anything wrong. Are you kidding me right now? I
Have a
love the
seat.
turtles.
Have a seat right here.
I just saved
have
like
a seat. Have a seat.
I just saved like 30 of them the other day
Have a seat so we can explain.
from fucking dying.
Sit
Are
down.
you kidding me right now? Are you fucking
No reason to make it
serious?
so difficult.
Why is it that? Why are you approaching me on the beach?
Because we're getting turtle calls, okay?
Turtle calls?
Yes.
From who?
People are calling saying people messing with turtle nests.
I'm
see
not
you out
messing
here.
with anything.
Stop talking and hear me out.
Listen, I need you to sit right there. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs too, okay? Because you keep walking up on us. Sit down over there. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Did you suspect me of a crime? Do you suspect me of a crime?
You keep walking up on us.
This is my voice.
We're trying to explain what's going on. You're gonna go in handcuffs. Go sit over there.
You gotta be careful in this city. Seriously, you roll up on me blinding me with a fucking light?
Oh my God,
Are
you guys
you
are
kidding me right now?
Yeah, looks like she's already.
Oh my God. Do you have any idea how long I've lived here?
I don't care how long you've lived here.
Do you have any idea how many turtles I've saved this year?
Are you with the turtle people?
No, well, fucking turtle people.
Yes.
Seriously?
Are you with the turtle?
No, I'm a
Are you
nut.
certified? Are you certified?
You don't have to be.
You don't have
Yes,
to
you
be.
do.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you
No,
do.
you
No,
don't.
you guys
No.
don't even know the
And
law.
I haven't touched
You guys don't even know the law.
Where's your
Oh
ID card?
my God.
Come on.
Back
How
up,
am I
sir.
doing anything?
Listen, I need you to go sit over here. I'm gonna put you in
Honey, you better
handcuffs.
be filming this. Don't worry, it's all on my phone. Are you kidding me right now?
What are you guys doing?
Fucking serious.
No.
116,
watch your back.
17 or 11
Watch your
respond
back.
out here.
Guys, are you serious?
You have background
Oh
tonight.
my God, dude.
Can you have 17 or 11 respond to this tomorrow anyway?
Throughout after 11 up to 15, 20 guys call the 13s and then respond to them.
Oh my God.
Alpha 16 is requesting for you or 17 to respond to A1A system.
Hey, watch your back.
I see him.
Serious? Are you fucking serious?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you taking her to jail? Oh my God, you guys are... Holy shit. Oh my gosh, she didn't do anything.
Detain for what? What investigation? What investigation?
What, do you have any evidence that she was actually messing with a turtle nest?
Wait a second.
You just don't have any? Oh my God, dude.
Oh,
What a
my
fucking,
God.
you're that guy's a fucking asshole.
Are you fucking serious?
Fucking jackass.
Get out of my purse.
No problem.
I do not give you permission to go in my purse. You can't bring it in my vehicle. I don't want
Let
it.
me have, can I have her,
Sit
can I
down.
Can I have her,
Sit down.
Can I have her purse?
No, sit down.
You guys are fucked up. Oh my God, she didn't do anything. You have no evidence.
Just 197,
I mean, what did she
another
do?
Every night I walk this beach. Are you fucking
Oh my
kidding me?
Can you respond as
God.
well, please? Alpha 3
That's my husband.
Oh my God.
Give me your cuffs. Your cuffs.
Now what did I do, man?
Don't walk up on an officer. How about that? Turn around.
I gotta talk to those people right here before
I can't
walk
believe
away.
this.
That's what I'm trying to catch you.
Oh my God.
Don't turn your
Oh
head.
my God. Oh my God.
You just went 97, though. It should be going 97. 'Alright, I'm gonna cancel it. It's gonna be a 10 delayed, my now.